Welcome to Clever One, your smart solution for managing patient imaging and data in one efficient platform. Let's begin with an overview of the Clever One layout to help you get started with confidence. At the top of your screen, you'll find the Search and Sort panel. Use this area to search for a patient by name or ID, or sort patients based on customizable criteria for faster navigation. Next, we have the Patient Management toolbar. Here, you can add, modify, or delete patient records. You'll also find options to import, export, and share patient data, ensuring seamless integration across your practice. This area provides quick access to image acquisition tools. Launch your intraoral sensor I/O camera or import external files with just one click. Need to refine your patient list? Use this section to sort patients based on specific filters or categories that suit your workflow. In the Patient Detail pane, you'll see comprehensive information about the selected patient. This includes personal details, visit history, and other relevant data at a glance. Apply hashtags to images for easy categorization and future reference. You can also filter your image library using these hashtags to quickly find related visuals. This section displays all images and completed work for the selected patient, providing a complete visual history at your fingertips. Let's continue with the Patient Management section. This is your central hub, where all patient records, images, and details are stored and accessed. From here, you can search, sort, add, edit, and manage patient data efficiently. It serves as the foundation for navigating the rest of the system. Next, we'll explore the 2D Modules tab.
Let's explore the 2D viewer in Clever One. This viewer consists of several key interface components. Patient Info area. Top toolbar. Module bar. Control panel. View Layout tab bar. Image list. Image adjustment and diagnostic tools. Work list. Image filter and image list. The top area contains tools related to viewing and exporting images. To change patients, click the Search Patient button located at the top. Click the Control Panel Pinout button. The control panel will appear floating on your screen. In the drawer menu, toggle the module bar switch to off. This allows the viewer to expand, giving you a larger viewing area. If needed, click the handle to redisplay the control panel at any time. Adjusting the layout. To customize your viewing experience, use the Layout tab at the top to select your preferred layout. Or click the Change Layout button to pick from the available list. Running CT data. To open CT data, click the CT window button at the top. Then, drag and drop the CT data from the image list into the CT window. The CT data will open in the viewer. Manipulating CT windows. To modify the CT window, click Change Orientation to display the window in portrait view. Click the pop-up button to open the window as a floating dialog. To dock it back into the module, press the pop-up button again. Viewing in 3D. To transition from 2D to 3D, click the Show 3D button. The data you were viewing in the CT window will now appear in the 3D module. For additional education modules, please visit the Education Academy under the Education tab.